Well, since the launch of the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, everyone actually liked the idea of a fan edition variant. But then again, it was always confusing, like what to expect with the next year's fan edition variant, and that too when it will actually launch, because there is no clear track record of like fan edition phones. Now, S23 FE, a lot of leakers actually said that it's not arriving at all. But then some leakers said like it's arriving but next year, which actually does make sense. Another tech tipsters now claiming that Samsung is expected to report the second quarter sales of the Galaxy S23 flagship series that are 20% lower than the sales generated by the Galaxy S22 line during the same quarter last year. Now, the decline comes from a drop in general consumer demand. It's not like there was any fault or so, and that's the only reason why the tech tipster is saying that Samsung will release the Galaxy S23 fan edition before it introduces the next Galaxy foldables, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Z Flip 5 in late July or August. Now, the device is now expected to be powered by Exynos 2200 SoC with a 50 megapixel image sensor at the back as a primary main camera, and it will come with a 6 and 8 GB of RAM configurations, as well as 128 to 56 GB of storage options and a 4500 mAh or so battery. But you know what, I still can't say that this is going to happen, because Roland Quant actually says that there is not going to be an S23 FE at least this year, maybe next year. Now, here's another thing. The S23 lineup, as you guys know, is powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy chip, which is a fantastic chip, and it is for all the markets. There is no Exynos variant. But that doesn't mean Samsung isn't making any Exynos chips at all. They are. They are doing it for a variety of reasons. Like Google Pixel's Tensor chips are actually basically Exynos chips. However, a Geekbench benchmark test actually revealed quite a lot of different things. Well, a mysterious Galaxy device only known by model number SM9190 is powered by the Exynos 2300, and the phone is actually unknown. We don't know even whether it's the Galaxy S23 FE or something else. The chipset is rumored to include a 9-core CPU configuration. That is exactly what we also see on the Geekbench test. One prime-core X3 core running at 3.09 GHz, 4 Cortex A715 cores, the performance cores running at 2.65 GHz, and 4 efficiency 510 cores running at 2.1 GHz. Now, this isn't definitely the Exynos 2200 because that has a 1+3+4 configuration. And the Exynos 2400, which is the upcoming one, if you don't know about that, you can check out my video on that, will have a crazy 1+2+3+4 CPU configuration. That's insane. The Exynos 2300 SoC is rumored to include also a GPU based on AMD's RDNA 2 architecture. And because there is a tipster saying that the handset might even release next month, I just don't know. Maybe it's the Galaxy S23 FE, or maybe it's not. Because after all, I still can't say that Samsung will launch a fan edition phone before the Galaxy Z Fold 5 or the Z Flip 5. And I don't know how they're gonna position this one, because even though it's a cheaper phone, but releasing it that early or that close to the foldable phones, I don't know how that will impact the launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 or the Z Flip 5. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think gonna happen with the S23 FE? And yes, if you want, you can get some crazy cool wallpapers up on my website. A link down below. Until the next one, bye and take care.